Hello everyone, today I'm going to try to fly again the X4 Desire, and hopefully this time the controller will work. Hubsan has issued an application update, and in its change log they mentioned that they fixed connectivity issues with this transmitter. So I have a set of fully charged batteries inside. I'm going to open the new app and I'm going to try to fly this thing again and see if the controller will behave normally this time. I'm also going to try to open a screen recorder so you can see what I'm doing on the mobile. Okay, I'm going to start the recorder. The recorder is up and running. I'm going to put the quad battery, I'm going to connect it. And I'm going to let it settle there. Now I'm going to open the wireless configuration. I'm going to search for the quad. Plenty of networks here. I'm going to click on refresh. There you go. Hubsan connected perfectly. And now I'm going to open the app. And I'm going to select the H216A, enter device. And it asks me for GPS calibration. Sorry, compass calibration. And now this way. Alright, now I have to bind the aircraft to the controller, and I'm also going to enable GPS on my mobile phone. Alright, binding aircraft. Now I'm going to let the phone a bit there to get some accuracy in GPS, and I'm also going to try to do the accuracy test. No, accuracy is not good enough, but I'm not going to wait this time because that's not very important. Alright, motor is locked. Now I'm going to power on the controller. And let's see from the settings here, controller. Allow. I'm turning on the Bluetooth. Let's see. I'm going to hit refresh. And there it is. Hubsan. Connect. Connected successfully. Do I have control on the sticks? Yes, they do register here values, which is good for this moment. We'll see later if it's disconnecting again or not. Right, so I'm going to close the battery door. I'm going to pack in away all the wires. Let's see. Motors spin freely. Yes, they do. I have 9 satellites, so it should be fine. Let's unlock the motors. And let's take off. So this thing flies nicely. We know that already. But will it work with the controller this time? And nope, the controller has frozen again, and I have absolutely no control whatsoever. Now it has regained control. So now it's working again, but I don't know for how much time. Okay, let's say that was just a glitch, so I'm going to fly it a bit. Let's see if it happens again. I'm just going to keep it close if things get bad again. I'm also going to turn on video recording. Let's see, it should work with this button here. And it's recording video, that's okay. So let's see, because I'm doing also screen recording on my mobile phone, it seems that the app has a huge lag. So I'm going to try something else. I'm going to stop the screen recorder now. Right, at least you have seen the settings I did. So I have ruled out the app, which is using a lot of resources. I'm going to shut that off, but I still have lag, and the lag is huge. Actually, I'm currently don't seeing any kind of video on the screen. Alright, so it has entered return to home, and the control is not working again. Now I have got control back, so definitely it's still not fixed. It's still doing a terrible job at control. So the control is not fixed after the firmware update. So let's see if I just going to land it. Alright, and I'm going to power off the controller. Controller is off. Bluetooth is disconnected. I'm also going to restart the app. Right, I'm going to kill all the processes that are running on my mobile phone. I'm going to clear all notifications. I'm going to shut down Bluetooth. Bluetooth is off. Now I'm going to open the app again. I'm not going to turn on the screen recorder this time. I'm selecting my device and I have image. Let's see now how it works. So I'm going to arm the motors. I'm going to turn video recording again. I don't know if it was still working or not. Hopefully it didn't crash my video file. And it's now recording. And look at that. No return to home, no failsafe, no locking, and I do get decent video without that huge lag. So it seems that something is also making the app working laggy. Nope, the app has again frozen, and when I say frozen, it's about the video feed. It's delayed about 5-6 seconds. It freezes, then returns back to working normally, then it freezes, then it gets laggy, and then it gets frozen again, and so on. So the app control over the quadcopter works very nice, very smooth. As you can see, you can fly this very gently, very smooth. There's absolutely no problem with the control, but the video is horrible on a mobile phone. On the previous version of the app, I didn't have this problem. It was very smooth, not only the control but also the video on the mobile phone. Well, this time the controller does not work properly and neither does the video. So what the hell is going wrong with this app? Look at that quadcopter, it flies so nicely. I mean, you can control it very nice from the app. But what's the good of that if you cannot have a basic video stream working on this without a huge lag? So I'm rather disappointed. I had expected it to be fixed. At least the video was working previously. Now the video is working very bad and the controller is still not working as it should. So sorry. I hope that maybe in the next app update, maybe a firmware update, will fix this. So I'm definitely going to do another test if somehow or someone does an update for this issue. Until then, bye bye.